Beat fatty liver and blast visceral fat with these 5 superfoods. When we talk about visceral fat, we also have to consider fatty liver disease because they feed into each other. It's like the chicken and the egg. Which comes first? Most experts believe the liver is the starting point, since it's our metabolic powerhouse. So by healing your liver, you're also tackling visceral fat. In this video, I'll share 5 powerhouse foods backed by human studies that can help repair your liver and shrink belly fat. Let's dive in. 1. Garlic, nature's anti-inflammatory superstar. Garlic is rich in sulfur compounds like allicin. In a clinical trial with 110 participants suffering from non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and excess visceral fat, subjects took 800 milligrams of garlic extract or a placebo daily for 15 weeks. Over half of those on garlic saw significant drops in both liver fat and belly fat, despite no changes in weight, calories, or exercise levels. How it works? Allicin blocks key inflammatory pathways, NF-kappa B and JNK, lowers liver enzymes, AST, ALT, and activates NRF2 to boost antioxidant defenses. The result? A stronger, more efficient liver that stores less fat. 2. Arbai 23017 and other couple-longs. 2 major meta-analyses covering 11 human studies found that drinking 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day cuts your risk of fatty liver by about 23% and liver fibrosis by 32%. Plus, caffeine ramps up fat burning by activating CAMP and boosting lipolysis. Bottom line, a couple of cups each day support liver health and help melt away visceral fat. 3. Cranberries, tiny fruit, huge benefits. In a 6-month intervention, participants took 144 milligrams of cranberry extract daily. The result? Significant drops in fasting insulin and insulin resistance, and less fat building up in the liver. That's thanks to the polyphenol terracycline, which activates PPAR-alpha and revs up cellular fat oxidation. Pro tip: use unsweetened cranberries or a high-quality extract to keep extra sugars at bay. 4. Whey protein, support for your liver. In an animal study, rats given pure whey protein isolate showed lower liver triglycerides, reduced liver enzymes, decreased lipid peroxidation, and higher glutathione levels. While human trials are still pending, this suggests that high-quality whey can help your liver burn rather than store fat, likely by increasing glucagon release and metabolic rate. Stay tuned as we keep an eye out for human data. 5. Beetroot, the healing root. In a 28-day rat study, beetroot juice concentrate helped rebuild liver structure after chemical injury. Oxidative damage and lipid peroxidation dropped. Antioxidant pathways, including NRF2, were activated, and liver function rebounded. Nitrates and beta-lane pigments in beets likely improved blood flow, detoxification, and cell repair. Though it's early stage, adding beetroot juice to your diet is simple, and it may even help lower blood pressure. Let's recap. 1. Garlic, 800 milligram extract daily for inflammation control and liver protection. 2. Coffee, 2 to 3 cups daily to cut fatty liver and fibrosis risk by up to 32%. 3. Cranberries, 144 milligram extract to boost insulin sensitivity and reduce liver fat. 4. Whey protein, promising animal data on reducing liver fat storage. 5. Beetroot, supports liver regeneration and antioxidant defenses. Try incorporating these 5 superfoods into your routine and track your progress. Real change takes time and consistency. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more evidence-based health and nutrition tips. Drop a comment below. Which superfood will you try first? I can't wait to hear about your results.